What happens when you type a URL into your browser? You press enter, a moment passes, the page appears. In the next few minutes, you'll see everything inside that moment. The whole thing happens in 5 steps. 1. The browser reads the URL. 2. DNS finds the server. 3. A connection opens. 4. The request goes out, the response comes back. 5. The browser draws the page. That's the map. Now, let's walk through it. Step 1. The browser reads the URL like a mailing address with 4 parts. HTTPS, how to talk, the domain, who to talk to, the path, what you want, the query, after the question mark, extra details. 4 parts, 4 jobs. Nothing has touched the network yet. Quick fun fact. See how there's no .html at the end? Most pages don't exist as files anywhere. The server makes them fresh when you ask. Like a kitchen cooking your order, not handing you a frozen meal. A URL isn't a file path, it's a request. Step 2. DNS. Computers can't call example.com, they only dial numbers, called IP addresses. DNS is the internet's phone book. Name in, number out. And before asking the internet, your machine checks 4 notebooks of saved answers first, the caches. Watch the lookup fall through the layers, like a coin sorter. Browser, miss. Operating system, miss. Router, miss. Internet provider, caught. Most lookups get caught early. They never even leave your machine. That's why repeat visits feel faster. Every saved answer has an expiry timer called a TTL, time to live. When it runs out, the answer gets thrown away and looked up fresh. That's why DNS changes seem to take time to spread. Nothing is spreading. Old answers are just sitting in caches waiting to expire. Step 3. We have the number. Time to call it. The browser and the server do a quick 3-message check called the TCP handshake. SYN, can we talk? SYN ACK, yes, can you hear me? ACK, loud and clear. Now both sides know the line works. But that line is still like a postcard. Anyone along the way can read it. So next comes TLS. The 2 sides agree on a secret key, and from that moment, everything is encrypted. That's the padlock in your address bar. We have a whole video just on this handshake. Step 4, the actual request. And here's the nice surprise. It's just text, a method and a path. Get/hello world, plus a few labeled lines called headers like host, which tells the server which website you want, because one server can run hundreds of sites. The server answers with 3 things: a status code, headers, and the body. The status code is the verdict. 200s, success. 300s, go look over there. 400s, your mistake. 500s, the server's mistake. Those 4 families cover almost everything you'll ever see. Step 5. The HTML arrives and the browser reads it top to bottom. Every time it finds a style sheet, a script, or an image, it sends another request, all at the same time. One press of enter becomes dozens of requests. This cascade is the waterfall you see in DevTools. And here's something useful. Some of those requests, CSS especially, block the page from showing until they arrive. So a site can feel slow even on perfect Wi-Fi. The network is fine, the waterfall isn't. Next time a page hangs, you'll know where to look. Now watch it all at actual speed. Read the URL. Instant. DNS, caught in a cache. Handshake, then the lock. Request out, response back. Read, draw, done. 200 milliseconds, end to end. You'll never look at a loading spinner the same way. To recap the 5 steps, the browser reads the URL. DNS turns the name into a number. The handshakes open a safe line. The request goes out and the response comes back. The browser draws the page. That's it. Every web page you've ever loaded in 5 steps. Subscribe for one topic explained properly every week.